Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum as-salam wa rahmatullah.
I'm 18 years old and I'm at the end of my high school career. I was thinking about studying in Saudi, but I'm not someone who studies a lot. Can you give me your advice?
My advice that studying Islamic studies is the best thing a person can do in his life. However, not everything that we wish and aspire to can be done. Everyone has capabilities. Everyone has limits. So if a person knows from himself that I am a hard worker, I am someone who is laser focused, I am someone who's determined, and I can spend 2 years in the Arabic institution in Medina to learn Arabic if I get a scholarship, and then spend 4 years studying Sharia or Tafsir or Aqidah or Usul al-Din and finish it. And through the process, I will attend classes of scholars in the Masjid al-Nabawi, Sheikh Razaq al-Badr and the likes. That would be a win-win. Go ahead for it. Don't ask. Apply for Medina Islamic University and inshallah you'll be accepted. If someone says, Sheikh, I love the deen, but I know I'm lazy. I know that I will sleep half of the week and I'll miss classes, I will not attend, especially if I'm not home. My mom would not cook for me, my father would not wake me up for the salat, my siblings would not help me do this and that. I know that it's only a matter of time and then I will flunk and go back. No, akhi. Save your time, save people's money, and give others a chance to go who are more serious. So it all depends on you, akhi. Did Yazid order his troops to kill Al-Hussein? No, he did not. And he was very angry with the people who brought him this info, and he cried for him and honored his family, the remaining of his family. And all what the Shia circulate is not true. Yazid was not a companion like Al-Hussein. Yazid was a tabi'i, but at the same time, people go to extremes. Some of them make Yazid to be one of the righteous scholars and awliya of Allah Azza wa Jal. And some of them, like the Rafida, make him a kafir. And this is the imbalance that the Sunnis, the Muslims don't have, alhamdulillah. We have balance because we have no relationship with either party. We love Al-Hussein because he's the grandson of the Prophet ﷺ, and we love him because he is the master of the youth in paradise. But our love to him does not make us transgress and say that Yazid killed him when he did not.